In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Coursera subscription. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand each step so you can smoothly navigate through the cancellation without any issues. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Coursera account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, which is essentially the central hub for all your courses and activities. It's where you can see everything you're involved in and can access all the different features of Coursera. Now let's focus on the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it, and when you do, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled My Purchases. This is the path to accessing your financial relationship with Coursera. Once you're in the Purchases section, all your transaction details are neatly organized for you to view. Locate the Subscriptions tab, as this is where all the magic happens. Click on it to move on to the next part of the process. At this point, you'll see all the courses you're currently enrolled in under your subscription. Now comes a crucial step. You'll spot an option that says Cancel Subscription. This button is your key to making changes, so go ahead and click on it. After you click on Cancel Subscription, a prompt will appear. It's asking you to confirm your decision. Here you have two choices: yes, cancel subscription to move forward with the cancellation, or no, keep subscription if you've reconsidered. Take a moment to think about your choice. Maybe you're thinking about saving money or taking a break. In that case, canceling might be the best move. But if you're in the mood to keep learning and exploring Coursera's impressive range of courses, then keeping your subscription could be beneficial. Once you've made your decision and chosen to proceed with the cancellation, congratulations. You've successfully managed your Coursera subscription according to your preferences. Keep in mind that canceling your subscription won't instantly remove your access. You'll still be able to access your courses until the end of the current billing period, so you can continue enjoying the content for the time you've already paid for. And don't forget, if you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, Coursera's Help Center is available for you. They offer extensive support and can address any concerns you might have while managing your account. And there you have it. Canceling a Coursera subscription is simple when you know the steps. Whether you're taking a short break or exploring other learning platforms, you now know exactly how to handle your subscription. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon for new uploads. Have a great day.